Hello, my name is Samima Sultana Mafiqul Shaikh, and I have joined QSpider in November 2024. My journey here has been truly amazing and filled with learning. I would like to thank Shakti sir and Abhishek sir for teaching manual testing so clearly and patiently, and Bharat sir for his excellent guidance in SQL. A big thanks to HR Yamini ma'am for her constant support and encouragement throughout my training. All the trainers here are very friendly, knowledgeable, and always ready to help. I am really grateful to QSpider for helping me build strong technical skills and preparing me for IT industry. I am very happy to share that as a software associate. Thank you so much, QSpider.